have a confession to make. The confession is that I love big hair. Yes, big, huge, the bigger, the better. Now, with my type of natural hair and texture, when it is washed and in its completely natural state, it is shrinky. It's not one of those hair types that grows. So I do things to manipulate that and get it to be large and in charge like I like. Now, I noticed that my hair is its largest when it is blown out. And I am here today, and I say all that to say, I saw this hack on TikTok. I'm gonna put a screenshot here of this lovely girl doing like a cheap blowout, which I could do kind of also, but I decided to try it out natural hair edition, you know what I mean? So she basically had her hair up in a ponytail, and she would like curl each piece up in the ponytail. Then she would take it down, she would have big, beautiful hair. Like everyone likes the big hair right now. So I was like, oh my gosh, I could try that for like maybe like a twist out or like a stretch wash and go type of vibe. Like, let's try it out, you know what I mean? So I had some braids for the last month while I was in beauty school, and just took them out, and I was like, I'm gonna try that style. So let's do it. And that's why we're here today. My hair is blown out. It's like a rough blowout. As you can see, there's still texture in there. I used my Rev Air. It's right down here below me. And I did just have it up on a ponytail that I took down. But in order to achieve this style, you want to start on blown out hair. And I'm gonna get it up in a ponytail, like using a scrunchie. And I have to kind of do this by sections because of this density here, because it can just be a bit much to try to just get up all at one time. And sometimes I'll run into a little situation. Okay, so we're getting this up. In any event, I thought this was like a genius type of hack, and it also takes less time too. Whether you're doing this with a curling iron or you're doing this kind of like I'm gonna try today, like in a twist out, you know, type of fashion. You could probably do this with a braid out as well. I don't know, I'm sure the sky is the limit here, but I thought that was really smart. I'll see if I can find her name, who the original person was on TikTok who did it. I've seen a couple people like recreate it also, but I haven't seen anyone yet try it on their natural hair. So I was like, let me just go ahead and do it. So this is it right here. I need to have a better camera set up. I have these jumbo scrunchies from Kitsch, so I'm gonna use that. To get it up here. Okay. Be careful not to be too tight. Okay. Let's tilt this up so you can see. Okay, that's better. This looks puny and pathetic. In terms of products, I'm just gonna use styling foam. This is the Influance coconut milk styling foam. This is a stylist product. I will be able to begin distributing these shortly, so that's gonna be exciting. Now, I'm gonna try to do these in like medium to large sections. Or maybe if I do small, then it's gonna really, maybe I'll do small. Okay, I changed my mind. So there's a few different styling foams, but from their It's Natural line, this is the strongest hold out of the three. So I have a little bit of that. I'm gonna put it on here. And then we're just gonna do a quick little twisty twist and see, and I'm gonna leave it in. I'm probably not gonna get under the dryer just cause like, I'm just kind of chilling out today. I don't really have anything to do, so I'm gonna leave it on, and you know foam is quick dry. So if I leave it on for the day, it should be dry. So we all know how to twist. I'm just gonna do this. And I figure if, yeah, doing smaller twists would give me more of a, closer to my natural texture because my coils are smaller. But anyway, I'm just gonna go ahead and keep doing this. I will show you once I'm done. And I'll show you when I'm completed with the twisting, and then I'll come back and take it down for you so that you can see. And I look rough today, so excuse that, but I just felt like I needed to go ahead and film this video. Okay, I am done. I used the foam, and then I like to put a little bit of gel on my ends just so they stay in place and don't start to get frizzy and then cause knots. So I used the Innocence I Create Hold just on the ends. I'm gonna keep it, I mean, it doesn't look like anything spectacular right now, but I'm gonna keep this in, maybe, you know, put a little something on my edges and slick those up a little, not slick them, but just groom them a little bit. I'm gonna come back and probably in a few hours after this has set and dried, and I'm so excited. It shouldn't be too long because my hair was already dry, but I'm so excited to see the results. Maybe it'll be a fail, I don't know. I am back a few hours later. I'm gonna get ready to take this down and see what's going on. I did do my edges. And I'm using the Bond Bar number 7 Bonding Concentrate. This is from Sally's. I used this line of shampoo and conditioner to wash my hair, which I actually really love it. I love it. And I like to put a little bit on my hands. Take it down. I feel like this is probably not gonna come out right. And now that I'm thinking about it, I probably should have done much larger twists, but I don't know. It looks good, held well, it's dry. Oh, heck. Okay, I got it all out. Moment of truth. Oh yeah, I don't think this is going to work. I don't know, let's see. This part is like completely not. Okay, hold on. Hold on, hold on, hold on. Oh yeah, you're not getting a good view of this. I really hope this works out because I do have somewhere to go tomorrow. So, okay, okay. I'm starting to see some promise. I didn't realize this taking down part was gonna be so involved, but okay. Okay, okay, it's a vibe though, isn't it? It doesn't look like, and this is what one of the videos I watched, she was like, yeah, it just doesn't look like you blow dried your hair and just curled half. You know, it all kind of comes together at the end, which I totally agree with. I was not optimistic, but wow, I mean, it's full. It's beautiful. It took a few minutes and just to air dry for a couple of hours. And it looks like, you know, you're voluminous and full and all of that. I'm digging it. I need to like style this properly or whatever. I don't know what I'm going for. But yeah, she's fluffy, which I love. I love the big kind of fluffy look. So I'm all about this. Now, if I were to do this again, which I for sure will be, I would not use, I didn't realize how like complicated this was gonna be to take out. So I would not use a super hard hold gel on the ends like I did. I would just stay with the foam so that it's easier to remove. And then you can like put a holding spray on after. But yeah, it looks really, really good. This back part, this is probably just because of my hair, but this back part didn't really get any attention, just because of where it probably fell within my ponytail holder, but it's fine. It's not like super duper noticeable. But yeah, there she goes. I'm digging it. Maybe I'll come back and show you like tomorrow morning what it looks like. But I feel like it's just kind of one of those things that's definitely gonna get better, and I would 1000% do this again. I love it.